Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring one of the most fascinating and mysterious phenomena in the universe, black holes. What happens if you were to fall into one? Let's dive into the science behind these cosmic giants and what you might experience on such a journey. First, let's understand what a black hole is. A black hole forms when a massive star collapses under its own gravity, creating a region in space where the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. This boundary is known as the event horizon. Once you cross this point, there's no turning back. If you were to fall into a black hole, the first thing you'd notice is the intense gravitational pull. As you approach the event horizon, you would experience a phenomenon known as spaghettification. This is where the difference in gravitational force between your head and feet stretches you out like a piece of spaghetti. It's a dramatic and extreme effect caused by the immense gravity of the black hole. As you get closer to the event horizon, time would begin to behave strangely. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time slows down in strong gravitational fields. To an outside observer, it would appear as though you were moving in slow motion as you approach the event horizon. However, from your perspective, you would continue to fall in without any noticeable change in your experience of time. Once you cross the event horizon, you would be in a region where the laws of physics, as we know them, begin to break down. Inside a black hole, the gravitational forces are so extreme that they warp space and time. You would be unable to communicate with the outside universe, and all information about your existence would be lost to the outside world. What happens next is still a mystery. Some theories suggest that you might reach a singularity, a point of infinite density at the center of the black hole, where the known laws of physics cease to function. Others propose that you could enter a wormhole, potentially leading to another part of the universe, or even a different universe altogether. However, these ideas remain speculative and unproven. It's important to note that falling into a black hole is purely theoretical for us. The nearest known black hole is about 1,000 light-years away, making it unlikely that anyone will ever experience this phenomenon firsthand. However, studying black holes helps scientists understand the fundamental laws of the universe and the nature of gravity. In conclusion, falling into a black hole would be an extraordinary and terrifying experience. You would encounter extreme gravitational forces, experience time dilation, and ultimately face the unknown within the event horizon. While we may never know exactly what happens inside a black hole, the exploration of these cosmic mysteries continues to captivate scientists and enthusiasts alike. Thank you for watching. If you found this exploration of black holes intriguing, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'll see you in the next video.